Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. She spoke so softly that I could hear her. Right answer is A, hardly. The house was too expensive, so we it. Right answer is C, did not buy. If I had studied more, I passed the exam. Right answer is B, would have. How long? Your brother known French? Right answer is A, has. The man spoke at the meeting as my uncle. Right answer is B, who. By next year, I in Canada for 5 years. Right answer is C, will have lived. I would rather you. Me the truth. Right answer is A, told. The children, when the teacher entered the room. Right answer is C, we're playing. Not only my friends, but also my sister. Going. Right answer is C, is. The doctor suggested that she more rest. Right answer is B, take. I don't know why she is angry, and I don't care. Right answer is A, either. She to the gym every day, but now she doesn't. Right answer is C, used to go. If she had listened to me, she, the exam. Right answer is A, would have passed. If she had listened to me, she, the exam. Right answer is A, would have passed. The man. Save the Child was a firefighter. Right answer is B, who. It's important that every student, the form. Right answer is A, Phil. She wanted to know if the meeting yesterday. Right answer is C, attended. They had to cancel the event. Bad weather. Right answer is A, because of. We to the market when it started raining. Right answer is B, we're going. She, a novel when I saw her at the library. Right answer is C, was reading. He is tallest boy in the class. Right answer is C, the. I will go shopping after lunch. Right answer is C, finish. Not until he apologized. She forgive him. Right answer is A, did. He could not attend the meeting. He was sick. Right answer is C, because. If I would not do that. Right answer is B, were.